It's a new feature.
So hello everyone, welcome to EagleEye Sprint Review. So let me jump into the email. So for this sprint, our goal is to add the edit tag feature on portal. So I finished this goal and I will demo this feature later. And here is the time spent. It is 1 week. And here is the PBI. So let me jump into the backlog. So for the first one, it is a remaining task from last sprint. So in last sprint, we have this advanced tag rules, but we found some like pipeline error is preventing us to deploy to production. So this PPI just mainly to fix the pipeline, and I fixed it, and I deployed our advanced tag rules into the production. Yeah. So that's the first one. We'll go to the next one. Yeah. So next one is our goal. Our sprint goal is to edit the tag. So I will demo it. Let me go to
Luke, could you stop sharing and share again?
Okay.
And also, can you tell me the URL of the of this admin screen? Is it ssweagleeye.com/admin?
No, not yet. We haven't added customer domain yet, but I will send the current one in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, it is generated by static web app.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So here you can see this is our EagleEye portal, and we have this text list. So the new feature I added is to edit it. So here's a button here. So when you click it, you can see there are some like pop-out fields, some rules on it. So you can edit, but I'm not going to change it because it's in production. Yeah.
Oh, you prefer that. I was just trying to locate the URL. That's fine.
Okay. Right. Yeah.
Keep going. It's fine.
Yeah. So that's just this feature. Yeah. So any question? Just added feature. Very good. Yeah. Okay. So you will notice I also have some minor like changes. For example, on the type header, I added a tooltip. So it will have some explanations on those tag tab. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I will continue to next one. So the next one is a refactoring PBI. Let me give you some like context. So previously, for AI tag, we have two fields. One is called a description, one is called keywords. We are using those two fields to check if it is a valid tag. But it is confusing, and we are just making the one field called the checking prompt. And I will show you on the portal. So if I create a new tag here, and I select AI tag, and you will see there's a field called checking prompt. So previously it is like two fields, description and keywords. We are combining those fields under the hood. Yeah, so it's more clear. And the same for the AI with mentions. So for AI with mentions, it also has checking prompt. So it is kind of some first validation if it is a valid tag. So if it is, it will apply this extracting prompt to extract the information from the email body. Any question?
No.
Good. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. That's the 3 PBI I finished. And the last one still in progress is to test those prompts on the portal. Yeah, so people can more confident to add those AI tags. Okay, I will continue.
Those UIs that you got, did you get them reviewed by anyone?
UI, no.
Okay. Did you record it down to you?
For the UI?
or this feature, this new tags feature?
New text feature, I think it is
Previous feature, right?
last sprint. Yeah, I'm kind of like based on the prototype candidate, but with some like changes, not fully applied to the mockup.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Just a small thing on the left-hand nav. There's a lot of space there, obviously. So I definitely would be putting the dashboard and tags in a larger font and large gaps between them. Like they're very close together. You could definitely go bigger.
Mm.
And
Are you at 125% zoom?
I would definitely think that it would be a good idea to put an about on the bottom left-hand corner. Something it looks there.
You mean about around here?
No, about on the bottom left.
Bottom left.
Yeah, down the left, the bottom left in the left-hand nav. Yeah, around the bottom records.
Like this here?
Not there. No, in the left-hand nav, up around the bottom of the grid.
Sorry, I'm
So,
still confused. Where should
over on the left-hand side, Luke, where you've got dashboard and tags, just down the very bottom of the page there.
Yeah, the grey
Like
area
here.
on the left is called the left-hand nav, meaning left-hand
Okay.
navigation. Yeah.
For this about, what do you want to put or link to?
Well, you can just look at other products, but there's stuff that people put in other products. I'm sure it's in SSW products too. Look at Time Pro or Sugar Learning or something.
Okay.
And since you have so much space there, you could put the tagline under the EagleEye thing.
You could also link to the reports.
Oh yeah, good idea. Yeah, link to the reports. That would be great.
We
The
already have
reports are
reports on
shown.
dashboard.
All right, okay.
Yeah, it is here.
Oh, the dashboard is the
That's what that
reports.
is.
Oh,
And also in the next sprint, we're starting work on like there'll be another row in that left-hand nav there for triggering some of the like historical scans.
right. The other thing I would do with the dashboard emoji, I feel like it should be a lot more like Power BI. I think I would have picked it up, but that's the reports if you have had a different emoji.
I think for this dashboard, it's not only this Power BI report. I just put some like a basic reports here. So in the future, it will have some other sessions, like total email session, maybe on the top. Yeah, so it's like a real dashboard. Yeah,
Well,
it's not
okay,
just
but
report.
couldn't you have a different menu
Session?
item for the non-Power BI reports?
Yeah, that could be. Yeah,
Okay.
it could be split. Yeah.
Okay.
So
All right,
I
good.
will just make this like a report. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Or yeah. Use the Power BI emoji. Not emoji.
Okay.
Icon.
Use. Okay. Any other question? Good.
No, all good. Sorry, the
Good.
hyperlinks. Not a fan of the hyperlinks. The color, and not a fan
Mhm.
of having hyperlinks that don't have dotted underline. And also think the column headings should have a little bit of grey and maybe bold on the headings or something.
Okay.
Is this a good chance to use Yak Shaver or actually maybe not in the middle of a recording? All good.
Why not? Good.
So Adam, you say you're not a fan of this URL link, right?
Yeah.
So
I
how
would
do we
just
normally handle it? We just remove it?
put the underline under it. So put a dotted underline under it.
Like this? When I hover it, is it?
Yeah, and put a rollover and get rid of the blue.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Cool. Is that it?
Okay, so let me continue the email. For deployments, we have 3 portal deployments and 3 engine deployments. And here's jobs execution. And there's some job filling before I took leave. Yeah, I just noticed before this meeting. Yeah, so I have a look at those filling jobs. And next one is report. So top 3 users, Freddy, Stefan, and Adam, you.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, and for the epic progress, the 3 PBI finished is all belong to this managed tags. And no R&D. Yeah. For retro, yeah. So Toby said portal is amazing. Yeah. And what didn't go so well? Yeah. So I found everyone is quite busy. Yeah. Hard to find someone to review my PR. So I let Jim to remove one of my PR. Okay. So that's retro. Let me go to the forecast. So since we have like a Christmas holiday, we will make it like 2 weeks, but it is actually 7 days. Yeah. So and our goal is to complete tag managing feature. Yeah. So because current tag managing, we have 2 PPI left. One is to test the prompt on the portal, and then the other one is to disable the tag. Yeah. So we are planning to focusing on finish those PBI next sprint. And we added another big one is to sync historical data on the portal. So this one is to add another session on the UI. So people can sync historical data and they can view the progress, the status of that job. So any question?
All right, all good.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, thanks everyone. Yeah, that's the sprint review, and you can check out other videos on the YouTube channel. See you guys.
Amazing. Thanks,
Luke.
Luke.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Recording.